Box truck business. Invent logistics.
We deliver anytime transport. Hey, man, health is wealth, man. We here getting us a load, man. I told bro I'm finna get down, man, get me 10 push-up and 10 jump jack, man. Y'all join me every time y'all pick up a load, man. We telling y'all, man, get your 10 and 10 in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There it is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If I could do it with one hand, bro, y'all can do it too.
You heard it. Let's get it. Y'all heard it. Hey, the fitness trend for the truckers, man. Let's get it, goddamn. Hey, 1 week fitness trend. Y'all, please like, share. Hey, let's get this trend going, man. Yo.